Wait. Wow. Let me get some momentum. Whew. I'm already getting tired, man. That's how unfit I am. Ah. Lucky we won't be going on any uphill road. I think there might be in front, like, but just a bit lah. Lucky the weather is not that bad today. It's quite cloudy. It's been cloudy since morning. No. We still have like 1 kilometer plus. Lucky there's no car behind us. Otherwise the pressure is on you. Alright, we are going to be turning left, which is an uphill road. But a bit dangerous though, because it's a 1-lane road, so usually got a lot of cars on. Jeez! Hey, how are you going to push? You can push or not? Is that quite steep though? Whoa, shit. I got no brakes. Ah! Exercise day! Never mind. It's been a long time since I ran anyway. Yeah, straight, all the way straight. Then we reach the. Woo! All right, I'm exhausted. Hey, wait, I need to pause for a while. I'm out of breath. Oh, Jesus, bro, the bike is not that light. Oh. Woo. Is that you? What about? You try to help me push. Try to help me push. No, so that I don't have to use so much strength. Yeah, like that. Oh. Throttle je. Woohoo. Huh? Yeah. Wait, I'm still out of breath. See, I think you're getting used to it already. Hey, Hon. Can all these cars not come so near? Okay, we reached it. Somewhere down here. That's what? My rear brakes are 10 times stronger than my strippers. Ah, fuck. Got space Then part got no brake Woo! My bike's back, bro! This bike is basically a freaking vibrator. It's vibrating so badly. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but yeah. It's been like almost 3 years since I used it because it's crap. But I don't know. I just thought of restoring it after not using it for so many years. 3 years to be exact. And it feels good, you know, it feels good, but the condition is still shitty lah, I would say. And like it's been like what, a minute since I've been riding it, and my leg, I can tell you my leg is already slowly starting to get numb. I expected him to take at least 2-3 days for him to repair whatever that needs to be repaired, but surprisingly it only took him like 4 to 5 hours for him to get everything fixed. Well, not everything, but the main parts lah, like the chains, I don't know, he said that he serviced the carburetor, and I don't know what else he fixed lah. I didn't really bother to ask so much because it's not really an expensive fix. The total cost is like 308 ringgit, including one pair of tires, and I don't know lah, but there was quite a few things that he changed. I was actually expecting it to cost up to like 400 to 500 ringgit, so I think 300 ringgit is quite reasonable. But there's a few things that still needs to be changed, like the battery, spark plugs and stuff. I don't know what else, but the vibration is definitely not normal lah. But the bike is still losing power. Like on high RPMs, the bike tends to lose power, and like the engine brake starts to kick in while I'm accelerating. Yo, shit. You guys can actually hear the freaking vibrations. That's how bad the vibration is. I think my balls is also gonna get numb soon already. But overall, I think I'm happy with the repairs. Like, I don't know, it just feels great to finally get back on this bike after so long. Hear that? Woo. I can literally hear something's about to fall off soon, like some screw or something. It's like some tingling sound, like ding 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 ding, that kind of sound that's coming from the back tire. Not back tire, but somewhere behind lah. And my lights is as good as having no freaking lights. Where the fuck am I? I'm gonna go try riding at high speeds and see how it performs. Oh my god, there's no power! Yep. Okay, I think it's too dangerous for me to whatever, let's just do it. At high RPMs, the bike tends to lose a lot of power. Like, it sort of jerks. I don't know if you can see that or not, but It's happening very frequently. Yeah, right there. It's still jerking. It's not smooth at all. I think I'll have to send it back to a more proper workshop and get it checked. But I realized the problem only comes when I'm like throttling at like 50%. Any higher than that, the bike will move already. Oh my god, I can't really stand the vibrations though. The vibrations are not just affecting my arms and my hands, but my whole entire leg as well. Can you consider this as a massage? If I were to fetch a girl on this bike, I think they'll end up getting wet and coming on my bike. What the fuck am I saying, man? It's a what's that thing called? Symbian, if you know what that is. It's a girl's toy that you sit on like a motorcycle, and it vibrates on your part. If you don't know what that is, go look it up on Google. It's called the Symbian. Symbian. I don't feel like, okay, the reason why I'm skipping all the red lights is because I don't really feel comfortable with people staring at me with this helmet on. I don't know why. It's just really unusual for someone to use a full face helmet and to ride a motorcycle like this. I know it's normal, I know it's safety first, but it just feels weird, man. I'm feeling so anxious right now. Like, I just want to go. Finally! Holy shit, that tingling sound that's coming from the rear is really loud. Something is literally about to fall off. Anyways, time for me to get home. So please leave a like and please subscribe if you do enjoy this video. Peace.